Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check your battery usage on iPhone. So first you go to your settings on your phone, and then this will show up, and then you have to scroll down and then tap on battery. Or you could also go to search and type in battery. That is the fast way of doing it. And then just scroll down, and then there it says battery level, and then you can see the activities, and you could also scroll down and see battery usage by app. So you could also tap on show activity to see your battery usage in percentage. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.